Hello, welcome to the Executive Bite. My name is Kyle Rowland. Today we're going to be talking about vision. One of the most important tools in a leader's tool belt is vision, and it's really easy to drop and let go of in the day-to-day insanity of getting work accomplished. A number of different authors have written about this. We've got John Maxwell is constantly talking about casting vision, about the idea of the law of navigation in his 21 irrefutable laws of leadership. Stephen Covey talks about the idea of, in 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, the idea of the first creation, of being able to see where you're going before you go there. Simon Sinek wrote a whole book called the Start with the Why, about having a reason and a picture of where you're going in order to give you the energy to get there. And so with all of these authors, and there's probably hundreds more that have made this observation about human nature, is that really having a picture about our destination makes it possible, even if not just easier, to get there. And getting a group of people there is really about planting that picture into folks' minds and making it something that they think is what the future should look like. And again, that's the idea of vision. Now, for software engineering leaders, software development leaders, there's a little bit of a challenge because we deal with 2 separate tracks in the way that our people need to be led. The first track is the actual specific software that we are building. And then the other track is the people and technology system around that needs to be led and directed and created, and that can fall apart into rot if we're not careful. So separating between those is really important, is a key challenge in exercising leadership and the creation of vision, because software by its nature is innovative, creative, it's entrepreneurial. And because of that, it's constantly changing as we're uncovering and unpacking and figuring out where we want to head. So building a vision, putting a picture in front of people's faces, is very much about having a easy to repeat, easy to understand, clear picture. When that starts to get muddied by the constant change of software, we can find ourselves unable to create a clear and compelling vision. That's why the software development leader, and this is key, should focus on that surrounding people and technology system, put the pieces and the tools and techniques in place, and then let those techniques, things like Agile or Lean, handle the day-to-day changes of where the specific software is going to end out. But your vision as a leader should be about the overall thing. So, just to do a stupid, simple example, instead of we want to build this specific feature, that's our vision, it should be something along the lines of we have a general problem space that we're working in, and we want to build excellent software in that space. That gives you, as the leader, the space to build up and build around in how you're going to create that system, and gives your team a clear and compelling vision that doesn't get muddied by the day-to-day discovery that's just an inherent part of software development. So this has been the Executive Bite. I'm Kyle Rowland. I thank you so much for your time. I hope this was helpful. Have a good day.